This is Tarot Reader Mirel here, and I hope you have selected your card. Whether it's 1, 2, or 3, go ahead and make your selection. And for those, we'll start off with those who selected card number 1. So, card number 1 is this is your card. This is for all those who selected card number 1. The card is talking about letting go of anxiety. So somewhere I feel those of you who selected card number 1, okay, it seems like you're holding on to some kind of fear. You may be worrying too much about the future, what's going to happen next, and your mind is not focused on the present moment. Okay, so my suggestion, my remedy, my tips for you is, if you can see this card, it's purple, right? It has this color lavender. The plant is lavender. So I would suggest is do aromatherapy, which, so you could buy agarbatti, lavender agarbatti. Okay, light some aroma fragrances containing the flavor of lavender. You get lavender salt baths, you get lavender this, what is the purpose of lavender basically is it calms your nerves. Okay, and lavender is very good for people who have insomnia problems. So I think those who also got this card, besides suffering from anxiety, the next thing is you could be having sleepless nights. Okay, you could be having insomnia. That is the reason I'm suggesting the remedy of using lavender. Okay, so lavender can also be used as, like I said, aromatherapy, sea salt. You could buy the essential oil. You can buy lavender candles. I have lavender candles. You can light them in your room before you sleep, 1 hour before you sleep. There is even lavender tea that you can get in the market. So try any product that has lavender in it. That will help you calm down your nerves. Yeah, so that will help you to calm down your nerves, let go of fear, and this is the best time to work on healing any kind of fears that you're holding on to. Okay, get a therapy session done if you want to consult a therapist and talk about what is troubling, what's on your mind, and what are the issues that you are facing that is leading on to fears. Okay, so do tackle this issue of anxiety that you're facing and try the remedy. You'll feel much better. Now let's move on to card number 2, guys. So all you lovely people who chose card number 2, let's see what you got. So card number 2 is, it says new idea. Okay, and you can see a beautiful white flower here. So this card is going out to all you creative heads out there, all you creative people. So intuitively I feel this card is for those who are having some sort of creative idea in their head. They have an idea for the next project in their life, what they want to take up. You are on the right path. That's the good news. Okay, so you're on the right track, you're on the right path. Keep going ahead, and don't second guess, because it looks like whatever you're thinking of putting forth the idea, it's going to work out for you. Okay, it's going to be successful. So this week, if any new ideas popped up for your business, for anything that, so trust the ideas that you receive. Okay, and keep a deadline for when you want to complete that project. Hold yourself accountable. You could call up a trusted friend or your mentor, whoever believes in you, whoever you trust. Tell it to one person that this is what I'm working on, and by this date I have to complete it. Sometimes what happens is that when you make yourself accountable to somebody, you feel that need to complete it. Go ahead and do it and complete it on time. Okay, so make sure you do that, and all the best for your new idea that has come to you this week. Good luck, guys. So let's move on to card number 3 now. So all of you who picked, all the lovely people who picked card number 3, your card is this. You got a lovely card. It's talking about peer pressure. This is the card, and it's this is where it says peer pressure. So what I can see is that somewhere you are getting very influenced by the people around you currently. Okay, so it could be anyone. It could be your friends, it could be your family members, it could be people anywhere in your environment. You are getting highly influenced currently by the people around you, and not to say it's not in a positive way, because what is happening is you are shutting down your authentic voice. You are shutting down what you really want to do, the decision that you really want to take, and instead you are going with what others. So what I would say is, don't come under the pressure of making a decision right now. Don't hurry up in making a decision just because everybody else is telling you. Yes, it's good to take an opinion, okay, from your well-wishers. That is absolutely fine. They will give you their opinion. But in the end, you will have to do what is right according to you, according to your logic, okay? What you feel is right, go ahead and follow that. Don't go by what the crowd and what everybody else is forcing you to do. It looks like you are under some kind of pressure or force to do what others are telling you to do right now, okay? That is why you got this card. The remedy for you, those who chose card number 3, the remedy for you guys is do your own research, find out the facts before making the decision that you are supposed to make, okay? Consult somebody who's professionally equipped in that area where you're making the decision, okay? And then go ahead. Don't just randomly listen to everybody. You will get confused and you won't know what to do. So collect all your decisions, all the data, everything before you make the decision, and it has to be yours. Do not get pressurized currently to make any decision, okay? Once you're convinced, then you go ahead and it will work out for you. So this message was for all lovely people who chose card number 3. So please keep in mind, whatever readings I've done are all general messages for you, okay? So whoever picked 1, 2 or 3, these were just general messages, okay? If you want to take a personal session, do contact me on Facebook or Instagram. My WhatsApp number is given below, and check the charges. I do different readings for relationships, career, or whatever you want to ask. So do book and a deep and a personalized session for you. This is Tarita Mirel here saying namaste, goodbye, take care of yourselves till we meet again. See you.